I think I have one more controller. 1 second. That really hurt. I'm trying to find the second controller right now. 1 second. I found it! It's a PlayStation controller. Does that work? Does that work? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just oh, my rib cage hurts. I had an accident. I need an ambulance. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh my god. Whew. Whew. Okay. Okay. I see. If I only would have known that in the beginning, then I wouldn't have fell down from my chair and then landed on my air cleaning machine thingy. And then from there fall onto my floor. Yep. And that's basically what happened. I stood up on my chair, trying to step over to my bed. Because my bed is like right behind my chair, and when I move my chair around normally, like there is so many cables everywhere that I would like something would like unplug and yeah, I didn't want to risk that, so I stood up on my chair, stepped over to my bed, which was like right next to it, but then I kind of like I don't know, I slipped and then I. Like in mid-air, I fell. Also, it's a chair that's like it's a rolling chair, like it moves. So that was also very dangerous. I slipped and then I fell with my rib cage onto the humidifier. And yeah, I don't have any memory after that. That's the loud sounds that you heard in the beginning. 配信の最初の方で事故った。後から来た人はぜひ見てください。多分聞こえたと思う。But I'm fine now. I'm fine. Hashtag Phoenix down. No. Can't get me down that easily. 死ぬところだったよ。マジで。